Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Thunderbird mail package is not available on Ubuntu-based repositories, so you can install it via importing ppa repo by running the following command. Run the command below to reflect on ppa. Then install Thunderbird mail by running the next command. After the installation, you can search on the system search bar by typing Thunderbird mail or by icon. Also, Snap user can open it with snap run Thunderbird. Thunderbird mail will be launched. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in the comments.